नमस्कार, मोर नाम नेति साई किरण, मोर घर আছে হায়দ্রাবাদ। অসমীয়া অলপ অলপই জানো, শিকি আছোঁ আৰু অসমত তাকে বহুত ভাল লাগে। Assam is a very great place, like very peaceful. People are very friendly. They are good and kind at heart. तो हम अभी गोलपारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में हमारा एनजीओ की तरफ से काम कर रहा है और एनजीओ नेम इज़ बोली चेतो द लैंग्वेज एंड लाइवलीहुड फाउंडेशन. We basically work in language and livelihood. We believe that language and livelihood are integral parts. Combining both can give a good result in terms of promoting language and creating livelihood opportunities for people from rural backdrops. Our special work includes documenting indigenous languages from across the globe, and we have started working on three major indigenous languages from India. One is Gondi, Kolami from Telangana, and Raba from Assam. So this indigenous languages work is going on because celebrating the International Decade of Indigenous Languages. United Nations has declared 2022 to 32 as International Decade of Indigenous Languages. So we are taking up this work to conserve the linguistic diversity that we have in India. That we think that we have only 20 languages or 22 languages that we speak in the common space, like Assamese, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, Tamil. But there are many other languages that people don't even know, which are spoken in remotest parts of India. For every 60 kilometers, you can get a new language and new culture and new cuisine and different cultural habits across India. And there are about 1600 plus languages that are spoken in India, and there we need to work rigorously in order to conserve all these languages before they are extinct from the world's face. We are also working on livelihood, especially promoting millets and building value-added products from millets, which is very beneficial to the people's health. We see that because of the green revolution, there is a drastic change in terms of high consumption in rice. But previously, our older generations, they used to consume millets in their regular diet, and millets are sustainable for environment, and it also helps good agricultural practices for the farmers, and they are completely organic. And eating millets also benefits pregnant women, children, even people with diabetes. Even they have benefits to fight with BP and sugar levels and etc. And so we are building value-added products that are completely healthy. Like you see in the market, especially whatever the biscuits, whatever we see, they are made with palm oil, and they use different types of emulsifier and high range of preservatives, which are highly dangerous for our health. But we are making products with completely natural things like ragi, butter, and natural oil, so that it won't cause that damage to the people's health. And this also promotes the cause of International Year of Millets. And we are also trying to build millet-based livelihood opportunities for SHG women who can establish their own units, and they can make their livelihood through this opportunity. When I first entered Assam, I saw this amazing quote in Gopinath Bardolai Airport saying that Assam is such a place, once you come here, Assam will stay with you. But I stayed with Assam because Assam is still with me. And Assam is a very nice place, like people are very kind-hearted, and we have started working in Assam from past 6 months. We have made a good progress in terms of working with indigenous tribal groups like Raba. We have started working with 2 community-based farmers in 2 villages from Golpara district. We also gave them millet seed for cultivation, and we also conducted some food festivals in Anganwadi centers to educate the pregnant women and the children and the Anganwadi teachers the benefits of millets and how they can help consuming in better health. And we also have started working on documenting Raba language, which is in progress. And so far, this 6 months journey, it had been a difficult part of my life, adjusting to the drastic weather patterns in Assam. Summer is too hot and winter is too cold, but it still makes a great sense being among these kind-hearted people in Assam. So we have made a good progress. Like we have started bringing up millets, interacting with farmers, interacting with some NGOs, and today we are in the position in terms of language we have started documenting Raba language, and we are looking forward to document other languages from Assam and northeastern region, and which are very special, we all know. And we are also trying to work on culture. And in terms of millets and livelihood, we have built value-added products from millets like biscuits, cupcakes and cakes, and we hope to like turn this research in millet value-added products into an opportunity for SHG women from Golpara district. We are thinking to establish a unit with the support from government and our Honorable District Collector Kaninder Chaudhary sir, and we'll be looking forward to make this take bigger steps, more foot forward to establish lasting opportunities for women and people from rural backdrop, promoting their language, culture and establishing a livelihood for them. Thank you.